Welcome back to Painting and Decorating. I've got some beams to paint. They were black and the customer obviously wants it lightening up, so we've decided to paint them a pale grey, and the colour we've been using is Ammonite and it's a Farrow and Ball colour. I'll just show you my technique of how I'm gonna, how I'm painting them. They're not looking too bad at the minute. I've just got these to finish. So I've already done the ceiling bits. So yeah, let's have a look. Like I was saying, I've already emulsioned the bits in the centres. Everything was washed down, and then the beams have had a light sand. Ceilings had a coat of emulsion, like I say. It's just freshening up. And then the beams, so far I've had one coat. Just about to finish this bit here. Opacity is pretty good on it, must admit. So the colour I actually got mixed in Crown Trade quick dry satin. So it's a Farrow and Ball colour but mixed in Crown. Don't complicate things. Right, so like I say, preparation is done. Got my scuttle, small roller and 1.5 inch brush. Load your roller up, don't get loads on it, and then what I do is do the underneath first. Don't touch the wall. You just get the pattern of the roller on the wall. Now, when you're doing the side, obviously you don't want to touch the ceiling, so you're only rolling half. While I'm there, I'll just do that one. Holds quite a lot of paint, this roller. Just half of them. And then that's it for the minute. And what I'm going to do now is just cut in. Now, there's nothing easy about this. Everything's rough. So make your own line, really. Touch that bit up there, that's a little bit of black that's gone on the ceiling because it's only had one coat. It's just showing a bit, but I'll touch that up. Next bit. Always start away from the ceiling with the paint and then work up to the edge of the ceiling. Now, you don't want to get loads of paint on the wall because it just leaves a pattern. and it's when you come to do the wall, it can show up. So is, you know, make sure you spread it out. Don't leave any lumps of paint around that bit. There you go. My technique of painting beams. So this is a satin finish. That looks fantastic, that does. So they need a second coat, obviously. Let's just have a look at the other room compared. So that's before, and I've got this room to do as well, so you're going to see this eventually. But that's before. That's after. It certainly makes a difference. Save on electricity bills in winter. So I hope you enjoyed that little video.